Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. Today we're going to make a beautiful mushroom and butterfly incense burner out of polymer clay. The next step that you want to do is you want to take each clay color and soften it and get it ready for work. Since this is going to be our mushroom, we're going to take a pretty good amount. This is going to be the biggest thing. I'm going to roll it. And always make sure that you have something covering your work area. If not, that clay is going to get in there and it's going to be there for the rest of your life. Once it gets in between those little cracks, you can never get rid of it. I like to put a big piece of wax paper right over the top. That way the clay doesn't stick to it and I can work comfortably. This red is being very difficult. It's very hard to soften it. You can use your roller, and the roller is going to help to soften it. A few years ago, it was almost impossible to get polymer clay that was really soft, and I remember it would come and it was a very hard block, but now they really have made it softer. If you can believe, softer than this. This is relatively new clay, but it's a little hard, but normally you can get softer clay.